This is the complete guide to Otter AI, the meeting transcription and AI assistant platform used by over 10 million people to automatically capture, summarize, and extract action items from every call. By the end of this video you will know exactly how Otter works, how Autopilot goes beyond transcription to run your post-call workflow, how it integrates with Zoom, Google Meet, Teams, Salesforce, and HubSpot, how it compares to Fireflies, Transcript, Microsoft Copilot, and Rev, every pricing plan, and the real workflows teams are running with Otter right now. Let us get into it. Otter AI is an AI meeting assistant founded in 2016 by Sam Liang, a former engineer from both Google and Amazon. The platform is used by over 10 million people ranging from individual professionals to university lecture halls and enterprise sales teams. The core capability is automatic meeting capture. Otter joins your Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams call automatically, transcribes every word in real time with speaker identification, and produces a searchable transcript with an AI-generated summary and extracted action items the moment the call ends. On top of transcription sits Autopilot, an AI layer that drafts follow-up emails, detects sales signals, tracks assigned tasks, and pushes data to CRM systems automatically. The free tier includes 300 minutes of transcription per month with no credit card required. Let me walk through every major Otter AI feature. AutoJoin. Otter connects to your calendar and joins every meeting automatically, Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams, with no manual start required. Live transcription. Every word is captured in real time with speaker identification, so you always know who said what. AI summary. The moment your call ends, Otter produces a structured summary of key points, decisions, and topics covered. Action items. Tasks mentioned in the meeting are automatically extracted and attributed to the correct speaker. Meeting search. Every transcript is fully indexed. Search across months of meetings for any word, topic, or person's name in seconds. Live captions. Real-time on-screen captions are shared with all meeting participants. Shared workspace. Transcripts can be shared with the team, commented on, and collaboratively edited. And audio import. Upload any pre-recorded audio or video file and Otter transcribes and analyzes it offline. Autopilot is the AI layer that sits on top of transcription and eliminates post-meeting admin entirely. Follow-up email. Autopilot drafts a structured follow-up email from the transcript, ready to review and send within seconds of the call ending. Sales signals. For sales calls, Autopilot detects objections, budget mentions, competitor references, and buying signals in real time as they occur. CRM push. Action items, notes, and call summaries are pushed automatically to Salesforce or HubSpot without any manual data entry. Task tracking. Assigned action items are tracked across meetings and surfaced when they become overdue. Live summary. A summary card updates in real time as the meeting progresses. Anyone who joins late can read what they missed instantly. Topic detection. Key topics, pricing, timeline, next steps are flagged as they arise. And meeting insights provide cross-meeting analytics covering talk time, topic frequency, and sentiment trends across your entire call history. Here is how to get Otter running in under 5 minutes. Step 1. Go to otter.ai and create a free account. 300 minutes of transcription per month are included, no card needed. Step 2. Connect your calendar. Link your Google or Outlook calendar and Otter reads your upcoming meetings automatically. From this point forward it will join every meeting on your calendar without any further action from you. Step 3. Connect your meeting platform. Authorize the Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams integration. Otter will appear as a participant named Otter AI in your next scheduled call. Step 4. Run your next meeting as normal. When the call ends, your full transcript, AI summary, and action items are waiting in your Otter dashboard, nothing to trigger, nothing to export manually. For sales teams, Otter is primarily a post-call admin eliminator. Step 1. Autopilot joins every sales call automatically. The rep does not need to trigger a recording and the prospect installs nothing. Step 2. During the call, Autopilot flags sales signals in real time. When a prospect mentions budget, raises an objection, or references a competitor, the rep sees a live flag and can adjust the conversation immediately. Step 3. The moment the call ends, a follow-up email is drafted and the CRM is updated automatically. Salesforce or HubSpot receives the call notes, action items, and key moments without a single field of manual data entry from the rep. Step 4. The sales manager can review call insights across the entire team, talk ratios, topic coverage, objection frequency in a single dashboard, with no call listening required. Here is how Otter fits every major meeting type inside a team or organization. All hands meetings. Otter auto-transcribes and produces a summary shared with the entire company instantly. Anyone who missed it can read the key points and search the full transcript. One-on-ones. Action items are tracked from meeting to meeting so nothing falls through the cracks, and managers can see patterns across direct reports over time. Client calls. An accurate, shareable transcript goes to the client for alignment and sign-off, while the CRM is updated automatically with zero manual work. Hiring interviews. Every candidate interview is fully transcribed and searchable. Compare candidates by searching for specific topics or answers across all interviews. The key setup tip is to use shared workspaces so the entire team sees the same live transcript during the meeting, not just the person who set up the integration. For students and researchers, Otter removes the single biggest barrier to learning: trying to write notes and listen at the same time. Lectures are fully transcribed automatically. Every topic, definition, and example is searchable after class. The AI summary extracts key concepts and definitions from each session, giving you a structured revision document without any manual work. For research, upload any interview recording and Otter produces a full transcript in minutes. Hours of field recordings become searchable text instantly. Group project meetings are captured and shared with every team member. Office hour sessions with professors are recorded and transcribed for later reference. Otter's live captions also provide real-time accessibility support for students with hearing difficulties. And the free tier, 300 minutes per month, covers most students' full weekly lecture load. Otter integrates with the tools your team already uses. Zoom. Otter joins as a participant and syncs the transcript to Zoom's cloud recording. Google Meet joins via calendar integration, no plugin or install needed for meeting participants. Microsoft Teams, full integration with transcript available in the Teams activity feed. Salesforce, Autopilot pushes call notes, action items, and summaries directly to the relevant contact and deal records. HubSpot, transcripts and sales insights sync to deal and contact timelines. Slack, post-meeting summaries are sent automatically to the relevant Slack channel the moment the call ends. Notion, transcripts and summaries export directly into Notion pages for your knowledge base. And Zapier, connect Otter to over 5,000 apps using trigger-based automation workflows, for example, creating a Trello card for every action item extracted from a meeting. Who is Otter AI for? Sales teams are the highest value use case. Autopilot eliminates post-call admin and pushes everything to the CRM automatically. Managers and team leads use Otter to track action items across one-on-ones and spot patterns in how their teams are spending meeting time. Consultants and agencies use Otter to maintain accurate client call records without manual note-taking during billable hours. Recruiters and HR teams capture every candidate interview in searchable transcript form. Students and researchers use Otter for lecture transcription and field interview capture. Journalists and reporters use it to transcribe interviews and pull exact quotes. And remote and async teams use shared Otter workspaces to keep everyone aligned on what was decided, even across time zones. Here is what teams are actually doing with Otter right now. Sales reps are ending a call and having the CRM updated and the follow-up email drafted before their next meeting even starts. Zero post-call admin. Startups are running weekly all-hands and having the summary in Slack within 2 minutes of the meeting ending. Agencies are using transcripts to prove billable time on client calls accurately. Universities are recording every lecture so students can search for a specific topic instead of scrubbing through a recording by timestamp. Recruiters are searching candidate quotes across 50 interviews in seconds to compare answers to the same question. Managers are using talk ratio data to identify which team members dominate calls and coaching accordingly. Remote teams are using the shared transcript as the single source of truth across time zones, replacing the need for duplicated meeting summaries. And journalists are turning a 90-minute interview recording into a searchable transcript in under 10 minutes. Here is the honest comparison. Versus Fireflies.ai, Otter has a more generous free tier and better student use cases. Fireflies has deeper CRM automation options and a slightly broader app integration list. Versus Descript, Otter is built around meeting capture with automatic joining. Descript is a full audio and video editing suite where transcription is one feature. Versus Microsoft Copilot, Otter works across Zoom, Meet, and Teams without lock-in. Copilot is deeper inside the Microsoft 365 ecosystem for Teams-first organizations. Versus Zoom AI, Otter works across all meeting platforms, not just Zoom. Zoom AI is more tightly integrated with Zoom's native features. Versus Rev, Otter is fully automated in real time. Rev offers human transcription for situations requiring the highest accuracy. Versus Notion AI, Otter captures live meetings automatically. Notion AI is stronger for knowledge base creation and document workflows. The honest summary: Otter is the best choice for teams that use multiple meeting platforms and want fully automatic capture with no manual steps. 8 tips that make Otter significantly more useful from day one. 1. Add your whole team to a shared workspace immediately. Everyone sees the live transcript together during the meeting. 2. Add custom vocabulary before your first important call. Names, product terms, acronyms, and industry jargon Otter might miss here are corrected once and remembered forever. 3. Use the highlight button during calls to mark key moments in real time. They become bookmarks in the transcript you can jump to instantly. 4. Before asking a colleague what was decided in a past meeting, search Otter first. The answer is almost always there. 5. Import pre-recorded audio, interviews, podcasts, voice memos. Otter transcribes everything offline too. 6. Review extracted action items within 30 minutes of the call. Accuracy is highest before context fades and corrections are easiest at that point. 7. Connect Otter to Slack and autopost meeting summaries to the relevant channel. The team gets the summary without ever logging into Otter. 8. Check your own talk ratio. Most people are genuinely surprised by how much they talk relative to others. Otter AI pricing. The free plan includes 300 minutes of transcription per month with a 30-minute cap per individual meeting. AutoJoin, AI summary, and action item extraction are all included on the free tier. It is a genuinely useful plan for light users. Pro is $16.99 a month, 1,200 minutes, 90-minute meeting cap, advanced AI features, and audio import. The right plan for individuals who use Otter heavily across multiple meetings daily. Business is $30 a month, 6,000 minutes, CRM sync with Salesforce and HubSpot, team workspace features, and call analytics. If your team is using Otter for sales calls with CRM integration, this is the tier you need. Enterprise is custom-priced unlimited transcription, single sign-on, admin controls, and dedicated support. My recommendation: start free to experience the AutoJoin workflow. Move to Pro when the 30-minute meeting cap becomes a limitation. Upgrade to Business when your team needs CRM sync and shared analytics. Here is everything you need. Start at Otter.ai, free account, 300 minutes per month, no credit card. Upgrade to Pro at $16.99 when the 30-minute meeting cap becomes a blocker. Upgrade to Business at $30 when your team needs CRM sync and analytics, both plans at Otter.ai/pricing. If you want to compare Otter to a tool with deeper CRM automation options, Fireflies at Fireflies.ai is worth evaluating, link in the description. All links are below. If this guide helped you understand what Otter can do, subscribe. I publish complete, honest guides to every major AI tool every week. Now go set it up before your next meeting. See you in the next one.